You touch my life with your softness in tonight. My wish was your command until you ran out of love. I tell myself I'm free. Got the chance of living just for me. No need to hurry home now that you're gone. Knife cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knife cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. When I pretend, wear a smile to fool my dearest friends. I wonder if they know it's just a show. I'm on a stage. Day and night I go through my charades. But how can I disguise what's in my eyes? Knife cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knife cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. Oh, 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 I've tried and tried, blocking out the pain I feel inside, the pain of wanting you, wanting you. Knife cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knife cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. You cut away the heart of my life.